Welcome to Feelish, a quiet space for your heart to breathe. In the middle of everyday noise, there are soft moments we often miss. A smile, a memory, a feeling we didn't know was there. Here we share gentle, emotional stories, not to study, but to feel, not to rush, but to slow down. The full story is written below, so don't worry if some words feel difficult. Just follow the images, listen with your heart, and one day it will all make sense. Close your eyes if you like. Take a breath and let the story find you.
The blue sweater. I wouldn't have opened that closet if the heater hadn't broken. The apartment was freezing, and I was desperate for anything warm. That's when I found it. Her blue sweater. Folded so carefully, as if someone new had come looking. It had been my mother's. If she were still here, she'd be teasing me for wearing it in April.
It makes me feel like I'm wrapped in the sky.
I hadn't touched it since the day we said goodbye. Back then, packing away her things felt like the only way to breathe. I boxed up the books, gave away the shoes, but I couldn't bring myself to move the sweater. Maybe I thought, if I left it hidden, she wouldn't really be gone. The moment I held it again, everything came rushing back. The way she'd hum while making tea, the smell of her vanilla lotion, the tiny notes she used to leave by the door.
You've got this. Smile. The world's better with you in it.
I wish I'd listened more. Asked her how she stayed kind, even when life wasn't. Told her I noticed all the little things. But time doesn't ask if you're ready. It just keeps moving. So I slipped the sweater on. The fit was snug, tighter than I remembered, but somehow it felt right. Wearing it didn't make me cry. It made me feel held. Not by the fabric, but by her. That afternoon, I walked to the cafe she loved. Ordered her favorite, vanilla chai, extra hot. Sat in the seat she always chose, by the window that caught the late sun. Before I left, I scribbled something on a napkin and tucked it beneath the sugar jar. Smile today, you're someone's favorite person. And for the first time in a long while, I believed it.